out 7 books from the Old Testament saying it's doubtful. The Bible with the King James Version and the other Douay version, they go back to the source about 300 to 500 years after the alleged crucifixion of Jesus Christ, peace be upon him. According to the Revised Standard Version, the Revised Standard Version goes back 200 years after the alleged crucifixion of Jesus Christ, peace be upon him. Closer to the source, more authentic is the source. And according to the Revised Standard Version, which has been revised by 32 scholars of the highest eminence, backed by 50 different cooperating Christian denominations.
The Bible has...
This is the Revised Standard Version. This is the Revised Standard Version, revised by 32 scholars of the highest eminence, backed by 50 cooperating denominations. If you open Gospel of John chapter 3, verse number 16, the word begotten is not there. Because it's an interpolation, it's a concoction, it's a fabrication. Who says that? Not the Muslims. The 32 scholars of the highest eminence, backed by 50 cooperating denominations. Even the RSV of the Catholic edition, the word begotten is not there. Why? It is an interpolation. It's a concoction. And the Quran rightly says, وَقَالُوا اتَّخَذُوا الرَّحْمَنُ وَلَدًا لَقَدْ جِئْتُمْ شَيْئًا إِدًّا. They say Allah has begotten a son. It is indeed a most monstrous thing to say.